Hey, well done, my brethren. I know a lot of things in this country. I've been hearing a lot of news lately. Some saying that the country is bad. Hunger is everywhere. People are suffering. People are jabbering. People are going traveling abroad. People are running from hectare to hectare because of the way, because of things in this country. Fuel is high. Everything is bad. And I ask a question. Can we tell ourselves the bitter truth? They say that truth hurts, but let's tell ourselves the bitter truth. Can we go to one bitter truth? The truth is, what do you expect to see after the 2023 election? What do you expect to see? Remember, in Nigeria, politics is the biggest business. If you don't know it, go and verify. In Nigeria, politics is the biggest business ever to do. This is a business you enter with nothing and go home with billions of naira. You enter with nothing and go home with millions of naira. You enter and go home with billions of naira with nothing and go home with billions of dollars. That is politics in Nigeria. So what do you expect them to do? When they say they should snatch the ballot box, carry it and run, do you think they don't mean it? You think they are joking? You think the man is joking when he say that? Okay, and let me tell you another thing. The man has bought everything to his way. He bought the justice, judiciary. He bought the whole court, appeal, Supreme Court, everything. He even bought the INEC. And they expect him to do well, do miracle. That means we must be stupid people and foolish if we expect him to do miracle. He will recover his money back tenfold. That is why we are facing a lot of this problem. And I hear people crying the other day that he spent 90 billion for Hajj, to subsidize Hajj. Abi? 90 billion to subsidize Hajj. I know that thing is not our business. If you want to pray, you can go anywhere in the part of the world to pray. You can go to Jerusalem and go to Mecca. It's not our problem. But because of the way the country is, they find anything they use it to loot. That 90 billion they use it to loot. That is what they came for. About 80% of 2023 government, the people that came to power in 2023, about 80% of them came through fraudulent way. They bought their way. The 20% that they come through due process, they don't have anything to offer because they can't influence the 80%. 80% people are the one that's going to influence them. So what do you expect? I ask the question again. Do you expect wonders to happen? We are hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. That is the state of the nation now. Hoping for the best, but expect the worst. That is the state of Nigeria now. So I don't expect any miracle. Me in particular, I don't expect any miracle. I don't even pray for Nigeria because why are you praying? When some people that are leaders of all those our religious leaders, they are part of the game. They are the one they use to get into power. Some say that by the grace of God, he will do better. Fine, let's watch and see. Let's wait and see how he's going to perform the miracle. But for me, stop crying, stop lamenting. Do you expect to see wonders after what happened in 2023 election, where they should keep people anyhow? You remember what happened in Lagos, where they stopped a certain tribe from voting? You remember what happened in Port Harcourt, where they stopped a certain tribe from voting, and they expect miracle to happen? That means you must be a fool if you expect miracle to happen. We are not even started. Kakabu 1 year, Kakabu video. What by the year for? We never see anything. I said we never see anything. This one is just starting. We are starting from scratch. By the time I get to Bayana 2025 to 26, I have get off father. Back I got Nigeria. I don't know Nigeria. Then the follow also 2027. I go there now. I go vote to the wrong person. Okay, I go there now. One of my brother is counting from now to 2027. You never see anything. We are going to see. We are not even seeing hell now. Hell is still far from us. So I back now. That's just draw out. Do you expect to see wonders after what happened in 2023? Do you know they fight? Oh God, man! They shed blood. They kill innocent people. They buy our courts. They buy our justice. They buy our judiciary. They buy Nigerians. So they are not looting and sharing. Even maybe loot they go they share among themselves, and they are here crying, expecting to see miracle. From who? From SEC, snatch the ballot box and carry it and run. And you never expecting for miracle from. My brother, I'll find something doing. So you get me stop thinking about Nigeria and stop even praying about Nigeria because your prayer itself will be everywhere. God will be angry for you. If you pray to God about Nigeria, God will be angry. God can send thunder to you to destroy you. For praying for Nigeria now. Look for a way out. If you are one of the people that put us in this mess, if you are running outside the country, you will still come back and meet us alive. Maybe you die in that outside. So my main thing is this: don't expect to see miracle from this kind of people. 80% of this government are fraud. They come through fraudulent way. So you don't expect to see magic from them. They must recover their money because they come for business. And I told these people earlier that politics is the biggest business in this country, where you can make money with nothing. Yes, so that is all I have to say for now. We'll meet in another episode.